Today is June the 14th, and here is adorable little Miss Paris. She was born on April the 3rd. She is a AKC registered Maltese. She is going to be between 5 to probably 7 pounds full grown. She has a little bit of cream on her ear, but she is absolutely precious. Are you a pretty girl, Miss Paris? Tell Mama how pretty you are. She has got an adorable little baby doll face. She has the pure black nose, and as you can see, the dark under her eyes. So, give Barb a call. She is almost 9 weeks old, and she is going to be absolutely precious, aren't you? You could get, oh, you said, is it time for my morning nap? Is it time for my morning nap? What do you think of that, huh? What's that? Can you get it? Can I take that from you? What is that? What is that? Okay. Say okay.